Wiley Wonderland.
Thanks for watching our channel today.
The question a lot of our friends ask us is how we travel so much on our income. Aside from the travel apps and how we save our money, watch our previous videos to learn more about those, we use travel hacking. Travel hacking is using credit card points to get flights or hotel rooms for free or nearly free.
Bam, here's the cards we use right here. I mean, that seems kind of thick, a lot of cards. You sign up for a credit card. The card offers sign up bonus points. You spend a certain amount of money within a few months, earn points as you shop.
For example, you sign up for the Alaskan mileage plan. Spend $2,000 within 90 days, and they award you 40,000 miles. Those miles then translate into dollars for you to spend on travel. 40,000 miles is about $400. Obviously, this isn't an ideal option for everyone. If you don't have the best credit or have problems not overspending on credit cards or paying off the balance as soon as possible, you might want to wait a while to try this method so you don't get yourself into trouble.
Well, so things like this don't happen. Hey, I bought something good.
How much did you spend?
Not that much. Don't get in trouble by your spouse or other loved ones because you go crazy on the credit cards. It's just using your basic spending amount of money that you would usually spend on gas, food, and other items, and using that so the points turn into miles. At the same time, we do travel hacking and have all these wonderful cards. We don't have bad credit. We've kept our credit within the 815 to 825, so it's almost perfect credit. And
Don't forget that when you're shopping with your travel points, to shop incognito mode, or some people call it porn mode. What are you doing over there?
Oh, nothing, honey, nothing. No.
Okay.
Here is 3 examples of cards that are currently available right now that you can use for travel hacking and that we recommend. This is at your discretion, of course. The Citibank Premier MasterCard is the first one. The second one is the Venture One Visa card. The third one is the Chase Sapphire Preferred.
Citi Premier has a $95 fee. You get 80,000 points if you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. Next one is Venture One by Capital One. There's no fee, 20,000 points when you spend $500 in 3 months. The last is Chase Sapphire Preferred, has a $95 fee, 60,000 bonus miles when you spend $4,000 in 3 months. This one also comes with trip cancellation insurance, auto rental collision waiver, and lost luggage insurance, and a few more.
Using the $95 ones, you can downgrade after a year, $95 fee to a no fee, and then after a year, you can cancel the card. 80,000 points is equal to about $800. For every 10,000 points is $100. Every credit card that we've recommended today has an app, and you can move money around and pay online through your phone, which is super simple, so that we never miss a payment. One card we do use for travel hacking that is not a credit card is the Charles Schwab card. The Charles Schwab card is an investment card to use in the stock market, but it also gives you a checking account. Great about the Charles Schwab card, I take any cash out at any time in the world. I can set a limit, use this with no transaction fee. So a lot of your travels, it could be 3 to 5% of spending every time you pull out $200, $300 at a time, and you need more money, and it's 5% here, 5% there, and it adds up. This is a great way to do it. It's literally a checking account in there, $500 to $1,000 before we leave, and we just pull out that money. It's just that simple. And we have now currency in euros, pounds, or whatever country you're in. It's really secure, 24 hours a day, you can get help. Things are finally starting to open up a little bit now. So it's a great time to get out there and start travel hacking. Here's a couple of examples. Recent travel hacks we've used, because they're not all airline cards. Some are actually hotel cards, and some you can use for hotels and or airfare. So here's an example of one here, and we got it for free with our points, and we have another one for upcoming trip. You can actually see where we have one that's gonna be a little more for a future video.
Our upcoming trip, we'll talk about more in an upcoming video. Booking all of our rooms in Buenos Aires and Ushuaia for $0. If you saved any money and you liked what you saw today, please like and subscribe.
Let us know what travel hacks you've used in the past, airfare and or hotel. Thanks for watching.